What's up guys, today I will be opening this Brothers War set booster I got at the Geekery. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Got this neat looking art card. It's called the Power Stone Engineer. Got a regular looking forest. Tocassia dig site. Tocassia onulet. Wasteful harvest. Airlift chaplain. Thuran vigil. Meticulous excavation. Giant cindermaw. Millstone. Sculpting steel. One with the multiverse. Reconstructed Thopter foil card. And a blank card. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.